You are a political activist, aren't you?
I would not consider myself that at all, Senator.
Okay. When you were sworn in as U.S. Attorney, you gave a speech, didn't you?
I did.
Here's what you said. I'm going to quote from your speech. But you should know that justice for me is about more than putting people in prison. For me, it's also about who votes and how hard it is to cast that vote. It's about where pipelines go. It's about where bus routes go. Justice is about whether people in all zip codes can get along, whether women have access to health care, whether citizens have affordable housing or clean drinking water. Sometimes those are Department of Justice issues. Sometimes they are not. But for me, they're all justice issues. Did I read that accurately?
I believe so, Senator.
Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the explosive exchange between Senator John Kennedy and Mr. Ritz. From accusations of dishonesty to questions about his ethics, things got intense. Hit that subscribe button for more updates. Let's get into it. Senator Kennedy didn't waste any time starting with some tough questions for Mr. Ritz. He immediately asked him, "You're a political activist, aren't you?" Mr. Ritz quickly denied it, but Kennedy wasn't done. He pulled up a quote from Ritz's swearing-in speech as U.S. Attorney. The quote suggested justice involved issues like voting rights, health care, and bus routes. Kennedy pressed him, asking, "Did I read that accurately?" Ritz confirmed the quote was correct. Kennedy tackled a controversial issue: the removal of the Tennessee state flag from Ritz's conference room. Ritz felt it was inappropriate to have the state flag in his office as the chief federal law enforcement officer.
Did you really remove the Tennessee state flag from your conference room?
Senator, I appreciate you asking about this again. As the chief federal law enforcement...
Welcome. Did you do it?
So I felt it was fundamentally inappropriate when I gave press conferences and similar statements to the public to indicate or suggest somehow that I spoke for the state, which I don't under our system of federalism.
Are you embarrassed to be from Tennessee?
Not at all, Senator. I am from Tennessee, grew up as a public school kid in Tennessee.
But you were embarrassed to have the Tennessee flag.
That's not it at all, Senator.
Kennedy pushed further, asking, "Are you embarrassed to be from Tennessee?" Ritz denied, stating, "Not at all, Senator. I am from Tennessee. Leave your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more breakdowns like this." Things heated up when Kennedy asked Ritz about allegations of lying to colleagues. He brought up an email from Stephen Shankman accusing Ritz of unethical behavior.
You have a history of lying to your professional colleagues, don't you?
That's not true, Senator.
Okay. Do you know a former public defender named Stephen Shankman?
I knew him to a degree. I'm not sure we ever had any cases together. I knew who he was, yes.
Well, in a private email, not meant for public consumption, to another one of your professional colleagues, this is what Mr. Shankman said, talking about your lying. He said, "It is unfortunate that this is not the first, second, third, or whatever occasion that this sort of thing has occurred. But everyone should be aware of this unfortunate pattern of behavior. You should be aware," he said to the other lawyer, before the other lawyer dealt with you. "Your client should be aware, and you should proceed with extreme caution." Was Mr. Shankman lying?
To the degree he suggested that I acted unethically, that was not accurate, and it wasn't in any occasion, much less on numerous occasions.
Ritz denied it, but Kennedy was relentless. He cited United States versus Weber, where Ritz allegedly misled defense counsel. Kennedy pressed Ritz on lying to Senator Hawley, which Ritz denied. Kennedy didn't let up.
Okay, let's talk about this case, United States v. Von Rico Weber, which you claim to not remember. But before I do that, a few seconds ago, you lied to Senator Hawley, didn't you?
I'm under oath, Senator. I did not lie.
You said you have no knowledge of any complaint, professional complaint made against you, didn't you?
I said I have no knowledge of any sort of formal complaint, and he read from a letter that I don't believe I ever saw.
And you were shocked. You never heard of that before.
If there were a formal complaint, that, as I said, I had not known about that.
Okay. You were amazed.
I don't recall any of that.
Any?
I recall this Mr. Weber's
have
case.
amnesia about it.
Again, I am unaware of any formal complaint or investigation. Certainly was not.
You believe in the tooth fairy?
Senator, I don't.
You believe in the Easter Bunny? Now, in this case, United States v. Von Rico Weber, you lied to the defense counsel. And the defense counsel then had to go before the court and withdraw a plea for his counsel. And a complaint was filed, about which you apparently have amnesia. And the Justice Department replaced you. And the lawyer from the Justice Department who replaced you, this is what the lawyer said. The new attorney said about you. Said these allegations against Mr. Ritz are, quote, serious. And it is taken so seriously, referring to the Department of Justice, by our office. That is one of the reasons I'm here, and Mr. Ritz will be more than likely be taken off this case because of those allegations. End quote. You lied to Senator Hawley, didn't you?
I didn't lie to the defense counsel in that case. I didn't lie today, Senator.
What do you think? Did Ritz lie? Or is Kennedy too hard on him? Let me know in the comments below. Kennedy focused on serious allegations against Ritz in a case. A DOJ lawyer said Ritz might be replaced due to the severity. Ritz denied wrongdoing, but accusations were hard to ignore. Kennedy believed the allegations had merit, but Ritz insisted he did not lie. This exchange was a clear reminder of just how intense these hearings can get. With serious questions raised about Mr. Ritz's ethics and conduct, it's no surprise that the drama has everyone talking. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates.